So welcome to a new module in Windows 11 tutorial course. So in this module we are going to study about desktop. All this space or the screen that you can see right now on the in our computer is called desktop. In this, all icons are called desktop icons. So if we right click on the desktop, you can see that we have so many options here. This is called the view options. So if I select large icons, so you can see the shortcut for this Ctrl+Shift+2. If I select large icons, you can see that the icons size has increased and you can see them very big on the screen. So come here, and medium shows the medium icon, and small shows the small icons. So let's select the small icons, and from here auto orange icons, if I selected this, so all the icons will be arranged automatically, so I cannot drag them any place in our screen like this. If now it is selected, suppose if I drag this, so I cannot drag this anywhere on the screen. So if I come here back and select this, now I can put these files or these programs anywhere in my screen like this. And if I come back here and select activate this, so all of this go back to its original places. So here another option is align icons to grid. So this align icons to grid keeps icons neatly spaced and aligned to an invisible grid. We cannot so we can still manually move icons, but they will snap to the closest grid point. Suppose like if you can see it is activated or is selected. So if I move this, so I cannot put this like this here. So suppose I put these two icons here, I cannot put them very close to each other, so there is a specific space between them. So very like this, it automatically comes to a very specific distance to each other like this. See, suppose if I disactivate this option, now I can put them anywhere to this icons to each other like this. You can put them here and here without any specific space between them. So now if I activated this back, so you can concentrate here in this all icons. If I activate it back, you can see now they have made specific distance between each other. So now I'm going to activate this also, that all of these icons and go back to its original space. And in view option there is another option, show desktop icon. If I disactivate this or deselect, and all of my icons will disappear from the desktop like this. Now you can see that icons has disappeared from here. So come here back and click this again. Now you can see that all the icons has appeared back. So here in sort by, you can see name, size, item modified. So if I select a name, all these and the icons will be sorted according to alphabetical orders. Like see, this is T. After T we have R, P, Q and S. So if I select it according to the name, now say that it is arrange it in descending order from Z to H, Z, W, V, T, N, like this. So if I clicked it back, now this all rearranged back to its original space. To size it will arrange the icon according to the size. Maybe all these icons which has more size will come first and the smaller size will come at the end, like this. Or it has reverse it, all the small files or icons come at the first and the bigger file or icons went at the last space. Item type, if I select item type, all the icons will be arranged according to its item. The images will appear in one section and the files like this will appear in one section and the videos will appear in one section. And that modified will arrange the icon according to the last date that they have modified or they have installed in my computer. So here in another option is refresh. We can refresh our computer. If we have worked many hours in a computer, just press refresh and everything will be refreshed. So new, we can add a shortcut in our desktop, like this shortcut. We can create folder shortcut and Microsoft Access on and all other options you can say we can add it from the new section. So display setting, personalization, opening terminal and show more option. We will study all of them later in this course. So this is all from the desktop settings. So see you in the next module.